I'm Derrick Xiong. I'm the co-founder of EHang. So when I see this display here, I feel like home. So some of you might have already seen the news last week regarding our flying demo on top of the, in the air of the Generali Arena. We fly up to 17 journalists and media from all over the world up in the air. And it was the first showcase in Europe, and I believe it's not going to be the last one as well. But today, I'm not gonna talk too much about the flying car, the air taxi. You have this one, you have the outside to demonstrate, to experience. But today I'm going to talk about something that's equally important, and it's closer to our life, which is the delivery drones. I want to talk about what we have done, what we have achieved in the past 3 years in China, and I think it's the right time to introduce our technology to everyone here. So our mission is to empower the future transportation by smart air delivery solutions. And talk about the practical scenarios. We know all of these. We can deliver goods, the medical stuff, emergency rescue, cargo, express delivery, everything. But how we position ourselves? We position ourselves not only as an air taxi company, not only as a technology company, but also we want to position ourselves as a good partner. A partner who provides the total solution, the most comprehensive solution, to work with anyone else, to provide them with the best air drone delivery solution. So we do not only the hardware, you see, we do not only have the drones, the hardware, but also we reinvent the new way of infrastructure. We do not only do the software, but we also do this airspace approval, like regulation consultation, and we also do like operational and training services, and also marketing as well. So here is a simple demo about what we do. So this whole process of drone delivery is autonomous, and we aim to achieve L3 to L4 autonomous air delivery process as well. And with this process, we minimize the human interference throughout this whole thing. In order to achieve that, we invented all different kind of UAVs, drones, like ranging from the smallest ghost drone to the EHang Falcon, which you can see over there at our booth, and also including big ones, like the giant fly shark that could fly over 1,000 kilometers away. And also we invented infrastructure like the drone truck, which I'm going to talk about later. With the drone delivery truck, you can have the grocery store, you can have the food truck over there inside the truck where the drone lands on top of the truck. And also with a camera equipped on the bottom of every single drone. The drone will every time make sure itself positioned as the right position on top of the truck as well. And here is the command control center we built in China. So we have this command control center, we have the technical stuff to monitor the health level of every single sensors, including barometer, GPS, everything, to make sure the safety of this whole process. Yeah, and EHang is also the first company for the urban air mobility officially approved by this Air Traffic Transportation Authority. So I think there's too much talking. I want to show you this video. And all of this is real happening in China. So customers in China, they can place orders using their phones. They can make the mobile payment using WeChat Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay. They place order over their phone. And the restaurants, we work with this giant supermarket retail company called YH Group company. So we also connect our system to their system so that every time when customers place orders, they actually receive the order at the same time. So all they need to do is to send someone to this container that's just close to their store and put the food inside. So you don't need to do anything more. All you need to do is just scan the QR code over there. Scan the QR code. This aircraft, this UAV, knows exactly where to go. And also, through this process, you see that we're flying in this real urban environment in Guangzhou, the third biggest city in China. And we're flying in the real urban environment, and the customer could also monitor the real position of the drone, of where your food is being delivered and where is it now. And our command control center will also be able to know the battery level, all the tech specs, everything. If anything goes wrong, the monitors, this command control center will be able to land the drone safely in the nearest spot. And with this drone truck, you save a lot of space. You don't have to reinvent infrastructure. It's simple and easy, just like that. So basically, we have been doing this in the past 3 years. And what you're seeing in the video is, I just want to emphasize on this, it's not just about concept video. It's happening every day. And here is actually the data. We fly over 30,000 flights. We have over 5 flying routes, and we serve a community of over 6,000 people every day. That means these 6,000 people within our serving territory, they're able to place orders and get food within 15 to 20 minutes. Can you imagine that? So I want to talk about another use case we have. Worked with this US company called United Therapeutics, it's UTHR. So this company manufacture human-made organs, especially lungs. So we already start the testing phase in Montreal, Canada, in one of their airports. And what we want to achieve ultimately, in the end, is to transport their manufactured organ from their production facility in Silver Spring, near Washington D.C. area in the States, to the University of Maryland Hospital. This whole range is around 40 nautimeters, and by doing this, you save the cost of pilots compared to the traditional, helicopter transportation. You save a lot of time compared to the ground transportation, which means you save more lives. This is another use case. We're now planning to work with our local Norway partners in Norway. So as we know, in Norway, there's a lot of oil and gas platforms. And we want to use the EHang cargo drone to shift the engineers, to shift the essential equipment, from platform to platform, from ship to ship, from harbor to ship, from ship to harbor. So this whole process could be autonomous, and this is really something that has a high potential in the future, and that's going to save us tons of money. So today I'm here in Vienna, and also we did our first demo a week ago. Not only the air taxi, but also we let all the media who attended our media event 1 week ago, to test on the idea of how we order food on the phone and get the food. We also made this short video in Vienna here in Austria to give you a sense about what's happening and why we're doing this. So the EHang Falcon is now, flying over the beautiful city of Vienna, and now it stops here, actually the hall here. So as you can see, that our colleague will be, So our colleague here is going to pick up this documents from the drone itself. So now if you take a closer look at it, that's a DHL. So a little announcement here. Next month in China, in May, we're going to have this press conference together with the company DHL to talk about what we have been doing in China in the past 12 months. So actually in southern China, we've been working with DHL for over thousands of flying drone tests. We do not only help our client to deliver mails, documents, parcels from their clients' campuses or office or factory to the DHL service center. We're also going to announce the next level of infrastructure that is necessary for drone delivery in China. And the ultimate goal is to bring this DHL, China practice to global. They have offices in every single country on the planet. The ultimate goal is we want to work with them and they want to work with us to bring this whole thing fully commercialized. So a lot of people are always going to ask me a question, hey Derrick, what time do you see, you have commercialized this air taxi or drone delivery? So from my point of view, I think it's happening right now because we've been doing this in China for 3 years and we have zero accident rate in the past 12, 18 months. And what happened here is I want to, tell the idea that, I think the technology is there. And regulators in China is trying to be very supportive and also more tolerant about new technology. I think it's a time for us to embrace the future of urban air mobility. And I think just by last week I was pretty excited. Because when I see the sign-up list, I saw 17 names from different medias wants to fly with us. Our air taxi, with our air taxi. That does not only mean the trust and the faith they have, for safety of the product. But also, it means like this is something that everyone wants. It's regardless nationality, race, gender, everything. It's just like everyone wants, because we all want to, fly. We all want to save more time from the traffic jams. And today I'm here today, and I'm happy to meet all of you. And we're at the booth over there. I really want you to come to talk to us. And we're here in Europe. Thank you very much. Let's fly into the future together.